Good morning, President.
Good morning. Yes, Mr. Chair, we have a quorum with attendance of the following bank members: Attorney Marcel Palomar, Chairperson; Attorney Catherine D. Monge, Regular Member; Engineer Serena Carapina and Carlito Castillo, Provisional Members. Likewise, we have in attendance the head and members of the Technical Working Group, head and members of the Bank Secretariat. On the part of the leaders, we have representatives from DNR Construction and Development Corporation, J.E. Manalo and Company Incorporated, FWS Construction, Development and Supplies Incorporated.
Thank you, Mr. President. Their support.
We have two items in our agenda, Mr. Chair. Number one is the preview conference for the following projects: Tubigon Port Expansion and Reconstruction Project, Port of Tubigon, Tubigon, Bohol; Hetape Port Expansion Project, Port of Hetape, Hetape, Bohol. Number two in the agenda is the post-qualification report for the following projects: Lucena Port Expansion Project, Port of Lucena, Lucena, Quezon; and Lassi Port Expansion Project, Port of Lassi, City Port.
You would like to thank the Vice Chair for giving us your presence. Mr.
For the Tubigon Port Expansion and Reconstruction Project, Port of Tubigon, Tubigon, Bohol, the project was posted on the PPA and PhilJAC's websites on November 10, 2025, with an approved budget for the contract of 552,184,820 pesos and 66 centavos. We have first DNR Construction and Development Corporation. Any questions?
Okay, so we have our representative. Any questions, clarifications? Next.
J.E. Manalo and Company Incorporated. No questions. FWS Construction, Development and Supplies Incorporated. No questions. For the relevant dates, please be informed that the opening of bids for the Tubigon Port Expansion and Reconstruction Project is on December 9, 2025. The opening of the deadline for the submission of the technical and financial proposal is at 8 a.m. The opening of bids is at 9 a.m. December 3, 2025.
We have the best data.
For the Hetape Port Expansion Project, Port of Hetape, Hetape, Bohol, the project was posted on the PPA and PhilJAC's websites on November 10, 2025, with an approved budget for the contract of 514,034,128 pesos and 93 centavos. We have DNR Construction and Development Corporation. No questions. J.E. Manalo and Company Incorporated.
Last day ng clarification.
The last day is on November 24, that's Monday, 2025, until 5 p.m. For the relevant dates, the opening of bids is on December 3, 2025. The deadline for the submission of the technical and financial documents is at 1 p.m. The opening of bids is at 2 p.m. December 3, 2025.
You like yours?
Good day, ladies and gentlemen.
Here are some important reminders for the prospective bidders. Number 1. On the submission of bid documents, bidders shall submit their bid documents in 2 separate sealed bid envelopes. The first envelope is the technical proposal containing 7 copies, 1 original and 6 duplicate copies, each individually wrapped in an envelope, then sealed in an outer envelope. The second envelope is the financial proposal, which contains 7 copies, 1 original and 6 duplicate copies, each, likewise individually wrapped in an envelope, and shall all be sealed in an outer envelope. The bid documents shall be hardbound, book-bound, stitched and properly labeled with index tabs. Failure to comply with the requirement is a ground for the automatic disqualification of the bidder. Number 2. The bidder shall ensure that all the Class A eligibility documents listed in Annex A of the Certificate of PhilJEP's registration, Platinum membership, are current and updated. The bidders are not allowed to submit as part of its technical proposal the Class A eligibility documents. The same should be submitted to PhilJEPs. For the information of all bidders, the head of the PPA procuring entity is Attorney J. Daniel R. Santiago. Chairperson of the BAC is Attorney Mark John S. Palomar. Vice Chairperson is Angelina A. Liuse. Regular members are Josephine M. Napierre, Attorney Dana S. Jaramillo, and Attorney Catherine Lee B. Monje. While provisional members are Engineer Carlito M. Castillo, for infrastructure projects, Engineer Reynan C. Parafina, for planning and design, and Engineer Elvis R. Medalla, for dredging and navigational aids projects. Technical Working Group Head is Engineer Rolando T. Carabin. And the members are Attorney Michi F. Manathad, Engineer Dante B. Tejada, Engineer Arnold M. Kitevis, Engineer Jose Marie B. Polanco, Mer A. Tinaza, Engineer Doyan Sugar Rose C. Cura, and Engineer Arlene G. Magpale. BAC Secretariat Head is Attorney Lolita D. Solis. And the members are Darlene V. Ambay, Arlene D. Pabustan, and Audrey C. So Kenya. Take note that, if you are a relative within the third civil degree of affinity and consanguinity of the Hope, the BAC Chairperson, the BAC members, the Technical Working Group, and the BAC Secretariat, you are disqualified from participating in the procurement activity of PPA. And, if you receive anonymous calls, soliciting money or any form, using the name of the head of the procuring entity, Attorney J. Daniel R. Santiago, disregard such call, as the same is not required by the BAC. Thank you.